Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks in accounting. First, set up your company file by entering essential business information like your company name and industry. This initial setup is crucial for accurate financial tracking. Next, customize your chart of accounts to reflect your specific business needs, ensuring all transactions are categorized correctly. This foundational step makes managing your finances much more straightforward and efficient from the start. Now, let's dive into managing your income and expenses. Record every sale and customer payment as it happens, ensuring your revenue figures are always up to date. Similarly, meticulously categorize all business expenses, which is vital for tax preparation and understanding where your money goes. Regularly reconciling your bank accounts with QuickBooks data helps catch discrepancies and maintains precise financial records, giving you a clear picture of your cash flow. Creating and managing invoices is a core function. QuickBooks allows you to generate professional invoices quickly, including all necessary details like itemized services and payment terms. You can then send these directly to your clients. The software also helps you track the status of all outstanding invoices, making it easy to identify and follow up on any overdue payments. Processing customer payments is streamlined, offering several convenient options for your clients. Finally, let's explore the powerful reporting features. QuickBooks can generate essential financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement, which shows your business's profitability over a period. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. These reports offer invaluable insights, helping you make informed business decisions and understand your company's financial health with clarity and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.